Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
OneDrive stores files in the cloud and syncs them across devices automatically. It keeps file versions for 30 days for accidental changes. You get 5 GB free storage or upgrade to 1 TB with Microsoft 365. Backups run continuously when the OneDrive app is signed in and online. Use OneDrive Personal Vault for sensitive files and enable two-step verification for extra security. This overview prepares you to configure OneDrive for reliable, continuous backup. Across Windows, open the OneDrive app settings to choose which folders to sync to this device. Selective Sync lets you keep only needed folders locally to save disk space. Enable Files on Demand to see all files without downloading them unless you open them. Set upload bandwidth limits in settings to avoid saturating your network during business hours. Confirm sync status in the taskbar or menu bar to make sure files are up to date. These steps reduce storage use and keep backups efficient across multiple devices. You can restore individual files or entire folders from the OneDrive website within 30 days. For extended recovery, use version history to revert files to previous states when necessary. Enable ransomware detection and OneDrive file restore to recover after attacks automatically. Maintain a local backup copy on an external drive for extra redundancy and offline recovery. Use strong passwords and two-step verification to secure your account against unauthorized access. Regularly review and revoke shared links to keep backups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.